I just got a package in the mail, and I am so excited to show it to you. Here a while back, I ordered a new lighting and backdrop set for my YouTube area. And I want to make sure that my videos are as good as they can be for you guys, so that's why I ordered a new lighting kit and new backdrop kit. But also, I figure if you're watching my channel, you must be creative like me, because we do creative things on this channel. So maybe you're into photography, or maybe you do videos yourself. So I'm going to do a review with you. This is my first time opening the box, so if I seem like I don't know what I'm doing, it's because I don't know what I'm doing. So let's go ahead and we'll angle the camera down to the box and we'll check out what is inside. I am like dying because it's been sitting here for about a week because I didn't have time to make the video yet. So let's get started right now. Alright, so the package is just behind me and we're going to open it and check it out. It is a little heavy, so that's probably good because it would mean that things are like quality, sturdy, so that's a good thing. I'll go ahead and put the picture of the product that I bought right here, and then you can kind of compare what you see to what I get. I won't leave it up like the whole time, but just for you to check out. Jeez. It's heavy. Okay, oh, whoops, I bumped you. I'm sorry I bumped you. Are you okay? Okay. Ah! Okay. I have a lot of stuff on the floor that you guys are not supposed to see, and it's making it hard to open the box. Hang on. So, it's packaged nicely. Yes. Cool. Then we have the customer service information. And of course, the sheet with information and hopefully directions. I'm going to go ahead and take out the smallest one first. It's right here on the side. And the brand is Neewer, N-E-E-W-E-R. So, I'd never heard of them before, but it was a very good price for things that I really needed. So I'm really hoping that I got what I wanted. I really like the fact that this all comes in a case, so you can take it anywhere. Like if you want to do some photography at a park, you can just grab this stuff and take it with you. Okay. And it's also very, it's very heavily secured. It's very sturdy, so it won't come open. It has these little seatbelt deals that I had to undo. Okay, then the side unzips down. It also has a zipper that goes around the front right here. So that's very handy too, because you can just get it out. But I want to see what's in it. Let's check it out. This has 1, 2, 3 little pockets in it to keep whatever's in there secure. So let's see what's in there. As I figured, it stands. The first thing I pulled out of there is a stand. So let me open it for you. Okay. And as we can see, I don't think I need to open it all the way for you to... If you're watching this video, you likely understand a little bit about how these work. So basically, here's your bottom. We're going to need to unscrew this to get it to go more. On that. Okay. And then, there you go. Whoa. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and shut this now. Okay. It's not really that hard. And then, of course, it is adjustable for height. So we can unscrew these and make it taller. There are 3 adjusters here. So this should be pretty tall, but I'm sure the instructions will tell us exactly how tall it will get. So let's put this to the side and see what's next. This case is for a backdrop stand. And these pulls will attach across the top of the backdrop holder. And then you'll go ahead and clip the backdrop onto the poles. So we'll take these out. Oh my gosh. Okay. So as we can see here, everything's okay, don't worry. Next item up for bid. Well, it's not up for bid, but you can, if you are interested in this, I will leave a link in the description below that you can click on to get this item. It is an affiliate link, so that means that I get like a little bit of change off of it, which would really support the channel. So if you do want to purchase one of these, please use my link. Cool, thanks. Oh yeah, and by the way, thank you so much for subscribing. I really appreciate it. Okay, and the last thing to come out of there is the other side of the backdrop stand. So this again is fully adjustable, has the 3 adjuster spinny things right here. So the way these attach, as you can see, there is this little thingy coming out of here, and then the other side is just blank on this one. They are different. Now, this one, it also has this, but on its other side it has this. The way you attach the backdrop top together, hair in my mouth, out of my mouth. Okay. So sorry. Alright, so the way you're going to attach these is you'll find the piece that has, looks like that, has like a little thing on the end. Then you find another one with that same deal on the end, and then the other end should just be totally blank. You're going to go ahead and slide them together. Hang on. They come apart, and then they slide together. Make sure when you're putting them in that you get them all the way in. So you'll go down and then you'll push. And if you can't get it all the way in, just give it a little twist. 2 of the backdrop back pieces will have holes in the end. And these are the pieces that you will use on the end of each side. This is the part that holds it up so it goes vertical. This little part right here, you're going to take all the way off, slide your backdrop into it, and then put it all the way back on. If you have any questions about this product, how to use it or how it's holding out for me, please be sure to leave them in the comments below. I always answer my comments, questions, anything. I'm happy to help you in any way possible. The next thing that came in the box is this rather large and heavy case right here. So it unzips from the top, and I'm going to unzip it and take the stuff out that way. It does have handles on it, so once again, you can carry it with you anywhere if you can actually lift it. Green backdrop. It's for a green screen, and that way you can put whatever you want behind you in your video. So I could film myself with this green background behind me, and then I could put I could put myself on the beach or something like that. It's very similar to what the weather people used to use in the 80s before we got the technology with computers and screens and all that. So this is going to be fun because I'm going to go some places. Next one is white, and the last one is black. The quality of this is pretty good. You can see right here, this is the white. It's not super thick, but it's not super thin. So I think it's going to serve the purpose great. It feels kind of silky, so I'm hoping that that silkiness will help with any fold lines or wrinkles or anything, because you know how that can be. Okay. Now in this box we have several little boxes like this. Next out of the package we have these 2 white umbrellas. So here's the umbrella, and your light will, whoa, where'd my light go? Your light, when you open the umbrella, will shine through the umbrella, and the umbrella will help to diffuse the light and make less shadows. So this is really cool, and I got 2. Last in this package, there are 4 boxes that look like this. I'm going to open them and we'll see what's in there. Okay. Alright, oh cool! Okay, so these are going to be our lighting stands. So notice that we got 4 bulbs, 4 types of umbrellas, and now we have 4 holders for all of those different lights. So that is so awesome. This is what's going to be in each bag, but I'll open a couple. I'll open a couple just to make sure. I have another one here. Yep. And that's the same thing. And this one we'll check. Okay, and that's the same thing. And then we'll check this one just to be on the safe side. I want to give you the full review on what's in the package, and this is what's in the box. Another one of the same thing. We have this really nice big carrying tote that had all that in it that weighed like a ton, but super cool for storage anyway. But wait, there is more in the box. You see back there? Do you see back there? There's some stuff back there. We have the cool little clippies. So these are, whew, it's a good workout for your hand too. See how this has a hole in it right here? What you're gonna do is use this to attach your backdrop. You'll wrap it around, and you'll use this to attach your backdrop to the top of the backdrop holder. So we have, there are 6 of these, which definitely will be enough to suit your needs. I will be doing a how-to video next, so be sure to look out for that one. And I wanted to thank you so much for watching. Again, questions, leave them in the comments. I'm happy to answer. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you got this far, you must have got value, so thumbs it up and other people can get value too. It would be fantastic, in fact it might make my day, if you subscribed, if you're not already. If you are subscribed, thank you! I hope you guys have a wonderful, fantastic, beautiful, lovely day. Peace out. I forgot, one more thing. I just got this wig and I just did a review on it. It will be coming out very soon. If you like this wig, keep a watch out for that review, and you can see how much it cost, the type of hair. Okay, fine, the type of hair is actually human hair and synthetic blend. So it's pretty cool because it's different. So I'll see you in that video, and I will see you in the video on the how-to of the lights if you're not sure how to use them. Once again, have a wonderful day and peace out. And I'll put what the product, I can't say product. I will put what the product looks like right here. The one that oh my gosh. Okay. Bolt, nut, screwy thing. The next thing we have in a box, the next thing that came in the box is this The next thing that came in the box is this rather large